In this video, we are going to learn about something new, which is more like a thermometer chart. So, as you know, thermometer is an enclosed area which is made up of glass, and inside that there is a mercury line which goes up or goes down depending on the temperature. So, it's more like an one bar, and within that there is another bar when it comes to a chart. So we'll see how do we do that. It's simple. It's just we have to apply some concepts which we have already learned. So over here the data set which has been given to us is of the 10 agents, the target and the goods sold. So now we have to make it appear that the target is X and goods sold is greater than X or less than X. We have to represent it in a more more readable format in terms of charts. So how do we do that? We will first select the entire data set. We'll go to insert and we will select 2D column chart. We'll just elongate this. Okay. Now what do? We will select the target one. We will select the target one and we will take the entire chart on the secondary axis so that one chart appears below another. So now this is the primary axis over here. This is the primary axis over here. This is secondary axis over here. Now the target sold, we will just increase the width or we can reduce the width. Now you can see that one chart appears in another column chart. Is the appearance is such because we have increased width. You select the first column which is the target and you decrease the width. Now it appears something like this. So this is more like a glassed enclosed vessel, and this is the orange one is more like a mercury which increases or decreases. Now where do we use this chart? This chart is basically used when we, so more like a sales chart. This is more like a sales manager chart where they have 10 agents assigned to them and they want to see which agent surpassed the target and did not surpass the target, and depending on that they will take an action. So now agent 1, agent 4, agent 8 did and agent 10 did not meet target at all, so they will probably take some actions. Why it happened like that? Where in case of agent 9, he surpassed the target, agent 3 surpassed the target, and they will probably call them and check what what exactly they did so that they more or less achieved the target. Where in case of agent 2, agent 5, agent 6, 7, they more or less just met the target. So they will probably call and check what exactly was the reason that they were just surpassed or they did not achieve a target with a narrow margin. So this is more like an analysis chart kind of a thing where instantaneous decision can be made upon. So this is just whatever we have used. This is just the application of that. We have not learned something out of the box. This is just that we have created a 2D column chart. We have taken one column which is a good sold over here on the secondary axis, and then we just increase the width and decrease the width of that particular column, and just to make it appear that it's more like a thermometer. So that's pretty much about this video. Thank you.